In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix missing Wi-Fi icon on your Windows. So let's get started. So currently I don't have the Wi-Fi icon right here. So how can you fix this? First is you need to start with the network and internet troubleshooter. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply locate system, scroll down, and that we need to look for troubleshoot. Here you can find other troubleshooters. Click on that and you'll find network and internet with the run button corresponding to it. So run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, we'll also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow what it suggests and what it recommends. Now close this. Next method, we also need to make sure that the network adapter is not disabled. So for that, press Windows key and letter R button together to open run window. Type ncpa.cpl. Click on OK. Now we can see that our network adapter is disabled. So we need to make a right click and then select enable. Once enabled, let's see if Wi-Fi icon will be back right here. Okay, it fixes the issue. Or if this is already enabled, you just have to make a right click, select disable, and then wait for some time and then enable it again. Then for the final method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on network and internet. Scroll down and you'll find advanced network settings. Here, click on the network reset and click on the reset now button. Click on yes. And after that, you have to make sure that you remember your connection password. This will restart your Windows and you have to re-enter that Wi-Fi password. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.